The key to brightwork polishing is do it often. Try not to use any abrasives. Polishing it frequently is probably the key. I think the Xylon application will extend the time between polishing where you still have good results with the finished product. This is the first process in any Xylon application. You want to tape the surface to make sure that you do not get the product where you don't want it. We're going to do a small section for the purpose of this video. Using a good high quality tape is always recommended. It's a 3M tape, which is locally available. It's a painter's tape. It doesn't leave residue. It's able to stay on for about 12 hours, I believe. Once you pull the tape off, you're not getting any adhesive. Always wear protective safety equipment, in this case being gloves and eye goggles. Once your surface has been properly prepped, you may use some isopropyl alcohol solution to remove any of the polish residue. You'll begin by applying the Xylon with the supplied mitts. It's a flannel mitt. You can use both sides of it. The key to putting Xylon on is going with a small surface area. So for this purpose, we're going to divide this entire wedge in half. So I'm going to do one half and quickly remove it, and then do the second half. I'm going to do it on the alternating side. Same thing. Then I'm going to finish off with the lip. That'll blend in the two halves. You put just amount to get your mitt wet. Be prepared to remove it rapidly. Put a very thin coat, and then immediately remove the product, flipping over the diaper as necessary. Lightly polish to remove any of the residue, and then proceed to the next section. You are going to put a very thin coat on. You can take that off. Those two sides are done. You'll go now to the back side. But once again, I cannot stress enough, the key is to keeping a very small surface area. Don't overextend yourself, otherwise you'll have to take the product off using another coat of Xylon, because you will get streaking. If you do happen to put a little too much product on, you'll just have to work it into the surface. Once your last quarter is done, you will blend the two quarters in, the two halves in rather, by applying some to the lip. It is recommended that 3 coats be put on just in a similar fashion. You'll go to each section of the inlet and follow the same basic procedures.